Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot run two instances of Messenger. So if you're getting this error code, you cannot run two instances of Messenger, please quit the other instance and try again. So basically what you want to do is come to the taskbar, right click and then click on Task Manager. Once you are inside Task Manager, you want to go to you want to go to Processes where you were. And here you want to find Messenger. And once you find Messenger, you want to right click on it and you want to click on End Task. So that is the first step to do it. So go here and add task. Another way is to come to the Windows button, click the shutdown power, and you want to restart your PC. This most of the time does the trick because it shuts down and resets all the apps once it loads up, and then that way it should work. Another way is to go to the Messenger on your PC, go to the General, and then make sure that Show Messenger Desktop App in the Windows tray that this is turned off. Because if it's shown at the bottom, maybe because now you removed it, this could help out so that Windows doesn't bug out thinking it's already opened, but it's not. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.